Hi, my name is Divya and I'm a student researcher at York University through the SPARC program. I just graduated high school and next year I will be studying life science at Queen's University. I first heard about the SPARC program through my sister who did this program 4 years ago, and she just had such a wonderful experience working in Dr. Bayfield's lab that I just knew I had to apply. And when I got selected to be a part of this program, I was ecstatic, and I just knew that I would have a wonderful summer full of learning and new experiences ahead of me. Through the SPARC program at York University, I work with Dr. Robert Shishima in his lab. And there's several lab members there. There's a lab technician and master's students, PhD students, and they're all just so helpful and welcoming to me. I was actually working with a mentor who's starting University of Toronto Med School in September, and she was just such a wonderful mentor. She taught me a lot, and throughout the month and a half that I've been here, I've learned so much. At Dr. Shishima's lab, I work and test the effects of statins on the respiration in beta cells. I treat MNCIC cells with drugs, and then I conduct Badford assays to determine the protein concentration of the mouse brain protein that I'm using. And then from that I conduct Western blots. I make the gels and I load the gels. I do gel electrophoresis in the Western blot process, and the Western blot eventually leads me to developing the film, which allows me to determine the proteins that I'm working with. The skills that I've learned at this lab, the techniques, the materials that I've used, the equipment that I've used have really helped me in a way that next year I can really apply this at the labs I'm doing in school, and even in the future if I plan on doing my master's or PhD, I believe that they'll really help me in the real world and allow me to apply them